If you have a curious mind like myself, you probably always thought, how do rich people really get rich? Is it stocks, winning the lottery, throwing balls real good up and down the court? But as you get older, you realize the answer to that is just to have rich parents. Or you can be Belle Delphine and just sell your bathwater. Belle is a British internet personality who blew up in the 2010s on Reddit by posting her cosplay, chatting about meme culture, and just being a generally attractive woman on the internet. Or as the kids call them, e-girls. Typically, you can find e-girls posting cute pictures of themselves or chatting about their hobbies, but Belle thought, hey, why don't I just start making some money? And so with that, she started something called a Patreon, where you can throw your money away by paying her for custom DMs, prints of her cosplay, a private Snapchat. At her peak, she was making up to $100,000 a month, just from dudes hoping she'd say ooh in their DMs. But then, she vanished. Because just a few months later, like your nightmares about that one cringy thing you did in middle school, she came back. But not with a post, not with a tweet. She returned with something way more sinister. What she was selling was a full heaping scoop of gamer girl bathwater. Yes, actual water from a bath that she allegedly sat in. And you can get a taste for just $30. Well, not anymore because it's sold out in a few days. Now, with this information, you're gonna fall into two camps here. The first one is, ew, that's so gross, I would never do that. Or if you're a Reddit mod, you're probably asking, how do I make money off of something I never do? You would think that a clean meal would stop her, but she continued to double down. So here's a list of more things she made money from after her bathwater dried up. She launched a premium Snapchat again, but this time with a little bit more spicy content. She sold her gamer girl pee as a joke follow-up to the bathwater, which was allegedly just apple juice. Then, when platform who should not be named exploded during the pandemic, she joined and instantly became one of the top creators on the platform. She had so many subscribers that she was making over $1 million per month at her peak. Which, if you haven't subscribed to me, please subscribe to Money Made HQ. Thank you. Belle Delphine didn't just go viral. She capitalized on one thing every influencer dreams of: attention. While most creators beg for followers, Belle sold hers. So the next time someone tells you to take a long bath and think about your life, just know Belle Delphine did and walked out a millionaire. Or you can be Sydney Sweeney and just make your bathwater into a soap.